Hello everybody, my name is Outdoor Beast and today we're going to be going after Bonneville cutthroat down in this lake here. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. I hear they're very active, so yeah, let's get started. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna head down this trail all the way down here until we get to the lake and then we can start fishing. I haven't been here in a while, so it'll be interesting to see where to fish. But I hear they're super active and close to the shore, so we should have some success. So yeah, see you in a minute. Been walking for a good bit and decided to stop here. Seemed pretty good. Yeah, hopefully we can get something. All right. Well, I did that for a little bit longer, but I don't know, it's just, I'm gonna put something on I know I at least have better luck getting stuff with. I have a little bit more luck in this, just because I have thrown these here before. And they usually work pretty well. So yeah, hopefully we can get something, but I hear the fish have been pretty active, so pretty sure we'll have some luck. Oh, ooh, almost had him. He nipped at it. At least I know they like it now. I don't know. It could have been something. That's something. Ah, gotcha. Nice little Bonnie. There we go. There we go. Not a bad size either. All right, let's let you go, buddy. There he goes, off like a champ. All right, I think this will be the last cast and then I'm gonna head further that way. I wanna get to the dam. Ooh. Gosh dang it. Ah! This fish want me to stay. Just barely got hit again. All right, I'll give it one more cast and then I'll leave just because of that hit. Let's stop here for a second. This looked kind of good. It's good to stop just to check. Ooh, I missed him. He came at it like a torpedo though. He absolutely bolted for it before it got too close to the shore. Got one. Feels actually kind of nice, unless he's just acting weird. That one's pretty good. That's a pretty good looking fish, for sure. All right, go on, buddy. Well, hopefully that turned out pretty well. All right, let's keep on moving. It was pretty. Well, I just did some filming. I actually filmed for a little longer because I didn't like that spot because it just seemed to be a little too murky. And so then I dropped it over here and then set it for like another 20 minutes. So hopefully I got something on the camera, but I don't know. I'll let you guys know if something happened or didn't. So yeah, see you guys in a second. I'm gonna start heading that way, so I'll see you guys in a second. Let's try here for a second. I don't know how lucky we'll get. I'm looking more to just go to the actual stream. So there's usually always something in there. Nah, never mind. Alright, this isn't the spot I was going to go to, but there's people in the spot I was going to go to. But this will be the last few casts, and I might possibly go to another spot, just depends. I don't think I will. It just matters what the time is and what the weather looks like. Well, just barely got hit. Well, I got one hit here. With the time though, I might possibly stop at this one spot. It just depends. But if I do, then I'll just see you guys over there. But if I don't, then I'm just gonna do my outro and head home because the weather's just looking like it's getting a little bad. I don't want to get stuck in it. I'm gonna see you guys in a second. So I took a look and it does look promising, but I don't think I'm gonna go down there because it has a bunch of trespassing signs around it and I don't want to get in trouble or anything. So I'm gonna end it here. So thank you everybody so much for watching. Please click the like button, subscribe. It really helps me out. I'm gonna try to get a video every Friday, so I'll see you in the next video.